If you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. I just really genuinely want to understand as to why.
She challenged the police to arrest her, so they did. Watch how this tourist night went from logical debate to a cold jail cell. Full breakdown starts now.
So they were asked to leave about 9:30. I came back, and he was the one that was originally asked to leave for being intoxicated and aggressive with other guests. And now they just keep going to every door and harassing all my security guards to get let back in.
Okay, thank you. Yep. All right. No, you're fine. Here's the deal. You cannot come back here. Do you understand? I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in. Okay, so leave the property. Yes, no. So I'm gonna. Go.
Leaving now.
Why?
Go. Haley.
No, I want to.
Are leaving.
I'm ignoring.
Let's go.
I would like to make a formal complaint about what?
Haley.
About the establishment. What? That's not what we do. Pick up your stuff and let's go. I can't make a formal complaint. No, let's go. Why? Because they do not want you here. You keep coming back and you keep harassing the staff.
We're leaving.
Okay, no, wait, hold on. You, go away. You're pissing me off.
If we get called about you, you gotta go to jail.
Haley.
No. Everyone, shut up. I want to ask a question. Excuse me.
I don't know.
First off, no, that's rude.
Haley.
You're gonna act like a child, you're gonna get treated like a child. They're telling you to go. No, I am not in their establishment, so you're under their convergence, okay?
Haley.
Let's go.
Sawyer, we're going home.
Oh, I'm asking a question.
You're walking away. You're going home.
I want to ask a question. I want to go. I suggest you listen to him and you go home for the night. No,
My best friend is a cop. If you want to walk away,
I don't care what you think. I want to go bed. Wait,
Haley.
no, fine.
Walk away.
You can, Brian, you can take her things and you can leave. No, I just want to ask you a question. I will leave if you tell me to leave, that's fine. What I want to ask is, why can I not ask questions about the establishment? You said you just wanted to file a formal complaint. No, I don't do that. No.
Listen. I've been as nice as possible.
Please.
You're a trespasser here. You're
No.
trespassing on my whistle.
No.
If we get another call, listen. Stop interrupting me.
I'm not interrupting you.
Yes, you are.
Go on.
If we get called about you one more time, I will take you to jail for public nuisance. You understand?
I understand.
Stop trying to yell. Do what you gotta do. Go home.
Can I talk?
We're done talking.
No. We're done talking.
We
Go
are done.
home.
You gotta go home.
No, I'm allowed to. We're going home.
If I get a call about you again for any
Haley, Sawyer.
No. Why?
Going
Oh,
home.
he's making it so much worse. No, actually you are, so let's go. Go with him and go home. I want to know. I was inside the establishment and I was fine. They can change their mind. I told you earlier. If they don't want you there, you have to leave. I don't want to go inside the establishment. That doesn't matter. You can't stay here. I know. You can't harass the staff. I don't want to go inside the establishment. And I'm telling you, you can't stay here. I'm not. I've been patient. Do not yell over me. You haven't. I have actually. You haven't listened to what I'm actually trying to say. I'm trying to backtrack to understand the reasoning behind the original dispute. And so can I go back to negotiate the understanding so that this doesn't happen again? No. They don't. So you're telling me the reasoning behind the understanding of the reasoning that I can't go back in the establishment cannot be understood. So I cannot understand why I cannot do this again. I have told you already. That's not good policing. I have told you already. I need to know the policing reason as to why I if they have the right to say they don't want to understand that. That's it. On public ground. That's it. That leaves me on public ground. Okay? So I can stand here and then you're in the roadway. Yeah, that's fine. No, it's not, because now you're obstructing traffic. Let's go. What traffic?
Haley, Sawyer.
Ryan! Stop. Look, if you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. I just really genuinely want to understand as to why. I want to know the reason.
Here's what's going on. You're really drunk and you're not making any sense.
I am making sense.
I've already explained this to you. They don't want you here because you're really drunk and you're acting like an asshole to everyone.
Your phone. Call your mom.
I know.
My phone is dead. Your phone.
You need to go home. You need to go home.
Haley. Your father's. I don't Haley! Lawyer!
No!
Haley! Haley! What happened? What happened?
Oh my god.
We're not.
Haley! Stop!
You doing it?
Haley! Stop! Haley! Let it go!
Back up! Back up!
Haley! What happened?
No.
Don't resist!
Alright. There you go. Not hit me. You understand?
Man, stop playing with me.
I interrupt. Alright. Let's go.
There's a front. 87-1 in custody.
Taking her?
Yeah, I'll take her.
Alright.
I'm back there. One in custody, signal 34. Flat on your stance. This is not a game. Do you understand? I understand. I've got nothing illegal. You can touch me any way you want.
I'm not touching you.
Not you. Anyone. Well, actually, grab her passport from him because I need an ID for her.
Alright, you got her?
I'll go wherever you want. Oh, you should do whatever you want to and she too. That's fine. I'll happily cooperate. Look, you had your chance. Here, I got you.
I don't know who handcuffed those is.
Yeah, they're gonna get disinfected anyway. It's fine.
There you go.
Ryan, keep holding my stuff. It's fine. Ryan, it's fine. Let's go. Ryan. Oh my god, it's fine. No, it's not fine because guess what? Now you're going to jail. That's fine. I have no reason. Not right now. I'm not in the mood. I have no reason to be going here, and therefore I don't mind.
Watch your head.
Well, like that, isn't it?
Don't care.
Can you move my hair off my lip?
No. No, this comes from the store.
It's a store?
Yeah.
He said it was his.
That's what I was saying. It's up to you. You want to... Oh, I'll wait till she comes back.
I can't get it down.
Say it again?
You got your gloves off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I sure can. What do you want?
Pardon? Oh, I just tried to talk to my cousin.
Nah, that's not how this goes.
So, wait, I have a question then. Genuine question.
What?
What are my rights?
Huh?
What are my rights? I haven't
You're
been told
detained.
my rights.
You're detained right now.
No, but
They haven't been told. What are you talking about?
I haven't been told my rights.
You have the rights of every U.S. citizen. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know that. I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rights
Okay.
are. Thank you.
So your rights as far as what? Right now you're being arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
You're asked to leave multiple times. So your rights right now are to go to jail and bond out in the morning when you see a judge.
So I can't talk to anyone.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to go to jail because you've been asked to leave already multiple times.
Okay, cool.
This is the second place you've been trespassed from tonight. You're already trespassed from the Bull and Whistle earlier tonight. Okay.
Yeah, because I kind of found my bag. That's
Okay.
not a good reason.
Well, it's not. When you're asked to leave, you leave. Okay? So now you're going to go to jail. You'll
Okay.
get booked in. You'll see a judge in the morning. They'll set your bond, and you'll be able to get out from there.
A judge
Yep, a judge, like a magistrate.
in the morning.
Yep.
So I have
You're
to
going to sit in
see.
jail all night.
Okay.
You'll see a judge in the morning.
Can I get my jacket when I'm in
Where's
prison?
your jacket?
I don't know.
No, they'll probably give you a sweater or something.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
As long as I'm warm.
So just hang tight.
Cool.
What?
I asked my cousin for the password to her phone
Nope.
so I can call her mom.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
All right.
What began as a simple request to leave a bar ended with a trip to the county jail. Despite multiple opportunities to walk away, the suspect's insistence on debating the law led to charges of trespassing and disorderly conduct. During transport, she claimed her lack of cooperation was due to being a visitor from the United Kingdom, unfamiliar with local statutes. However, officers revealed this was her second trespass incident of the night. She was held overnight to see a magistrate. Remember, when asked to leave private property by law enforcement, compliance is the only way to stay out of handcuffs.